Let's go over the compensation plan and the 5 ways you earn. Here's what makes this so powerful. Every time you share a product, you can earn in 2 ways. First, retail profit. You keep the difference between retail and member pricing. For example, if a product sells for $20 retail, and the member price is $15, you earn $5 instantly. But it doesn't stop there. That same purchase also generates business volume, which pays through the unilevel. So on that same sale, you would also earn 35% of the volume, which is $3.15. That brings your total earnings on one sale to $8.15. With our unilevel system, you can earn up to 85% on product sales. As you grow your business, your earnings increase. Simple structure, powerful earning potential. With our Jumpstart bonuses, you can begin earning right away as you bring in new business partners. Jumpstart bonuses reward you for growing your team. As you grow, you unlock rank bonuses. These bonuses compensate you for meeting new ranks and maintaining your rank, rewarding you for building and leading a strong organization. Our system stacks income streams, combining matrix pay with Jumpstart bonuses for maximum earning potential. Inside the 3x7 matrix, you can earn up to $3,279, plus $5 for every person you personally enroll. You also benefit from spillover, meaning your team's efforts can help fill your matrix faster. Earn $1 on every position in your matrix, creating consistent, monthly residual income. Secure your position today for just $19.99 per month, and be in position as a founder.